Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. Today I am going to present my analysis on the movements of gold futures in a live chart. Aim of my analysis is to dig out the geopolitical and economic moves along with the formation of technical developments in the chart of gold futures in different time frames. No doubt that the global stocks rallied since the start of the year amid optimism. Tensions are thawing between the US and China on trade, and commentary from the Federal Reserve showed policymakers have shifted to a more cautious approach to further interest rate increases. Still, concerns surrounding the partial US government shutdown continues to weigh on sentiments ahead of earnings season, and China inflation data on Thursday showed slowing growth in the world numbers 2 economy. Now the global equities look to take a breather on Thursday in Asia in the absence of any concrete details on US-China trade negotiations. The yen and treasuries ticked higher. Stocks have fallen in Japan and futures pointed to lower starts in the US and Europe, while Chinese equities fluctuated. The offshore yuan climbed to the strongest since August as the US and China laid the ground for resolving trade issues, though S&P 500 index contracts declined as some of investors expressed disappointment at negotiations that seemed likely to continue indefinitely. Dollar was steady and crude pulled back after climbing above $52. Now this growing uncertainty seems evident enough to enhance the volatile moves in gold futures. Let us understand how the gold futures have taken a bounce back today after witnessing a little bit of correction from the level of $1,298 with growing hope for some positive outcome on tariff trade war front. Now I will show you how the gold futures are moving in by expected trading zones for the period from January 10 to February 6, 2019. Let us understand how I concluded the movement of gold futures. In this weekly chart, let us see that how the gold futures started to move downward from August 11, 2016 after touching the highs of $1369. Here you can see that in a weekly chart the fall was very steep in gold futures till the level of $1248, where they found a little bit of support, and we witnessed a bounce back in a weekly chart up to the level of 1315, and from on 31st October 2016. Since then we witnessed a downward move up to December 26, 2016. Since then we witnessed a rally in gold futures once again, and we witnessed a one more top at the level of $1362 on 19 February 2018. Since April 2018 we have once again witnessed a downward move in gold futures till the August 20th, 2018, from where we found a good support at the level of $1183. Since then, I found that the gold futures have tried to come out with the beginning of tariff trade war tussle between the US and China. The uncertainty was on the higher scale at the time since October, and we have witnessed a rally in gold futures which is likely to continue ahead during the upcoming months if the currently going on trade war tussle does not resolve a positive outcome. So now let us see how the gold futures are moving in a weekly chart. Here I have drawn an uptrend line in a weekly chart. Here you can see that after taking a good support at this uptrend line, gold futures have taken support again and again on this weekly chart until the month of December 2018, and since then we have seen a sharp upward move in a weekly chart. And here I have drawn once again a yellow uptrend line which indicates the steep upward move in gold futures. Let us see this chart in a daily time frame for having a closer look at how the gold futures have behaved since November 2018. Here you can see that after getting good support at this uptrend line till 18th December 2018 from the levels of $1240, gold futures have taken a sharp upward move above this yellow uptrend line. Here you can see that currently the gold futures are trading at the level of $1294, and still maintaining an uptrend above this uptrend line, which I have marked in yellow color. Now let me show you this movement in a 4-hour chart. Here you can see that in a 4-hour chart, after touching the highs of $1298 on 3rd January 2019, gold futures have seen a little bit of correction up to the level of $1281, where I find a good support in gold futures in case of any downward move, because currently the geopolitical situation is not evident enough to make a certain opportunities for global growth till we resolve the issues like so now I find that when the investors found no definite resolution from the, or I will call it a positive development on the front of US-China trade war tussle, I find that the gold futures may come downward once again up to this uptrend line, where they will find their first support at the level of $1288. If we find them to take a support at these levels, I find that they may move once again upward towards the level of $1312, which will be their first target during the upcoming week. Here you can see that the 20 days exponential moving average is moving above the 20 days moving average, and both of them have crossed 200 DMA at this point, which I will call it a formation of a golden cross, which is very supportive for the gold bulls, and I find that the gold futures will remain in a strong upward direction due to the formation of a golden cross in a daily chart, which will keep the strength of gold bulls at this level above the level of $1274, where the gold bulls will find the gold futures more attractive to go long, since we have not seen a positive development. Now let me show you the movements of gold futures in a 1-hour chart, where I find that the gold futures are currently in a downward move, as the 20 days exponential moving average has turned downward and has crossed the 20 days moving average, which indicates the continuation of a downward move. And I find that first the gold futures will try to take a good support at the level of $1287, where the 200 days moving average exists. Currently, if the gold futures break this 200 days moving average in a short while, we will find them to get a good support at the level of $1274, from where we will witness a sharp buying from the gold bugs, and we will find a good upward move where the gold futures will try to test the level of $1304 in a short while during the days ahead. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends, and subscribe my YouTube channel for getting more updates on regular basis on different commodities. Thank you.